Okay, so we just want to show that we're using these Pico Neo 2 headsets, which we're basically sending around the world in a box, which coordinates them and syncs them and charges them and protects them and all this kind of thing. But the real benefit that we have is that using this system that you can see in the screen here, we can actually see what they're doing, how well they're charged, what apps are on there. We can control those apps. Now that means that we can actually, I'm just going to switch this on now, and you should actually see it go live. Go. Now, my lovely assistant today, Andy, is going to be controlling that system. So, Andy, just let us know, and I'll have the headset on, so you'll be my eyes and ears, right?
Perfect.
What we're going to do is we're going to go into Engage. Now, you can, with this, set it up so that it will actually, you can choose whatever app has been downloaded on the device, and then choose for it to just only open that app as soon as the person goes in, which means that they don't have to faff around with menus or anything like that. There we go.
And instantly we can see we are now online.
Great stuff. Thanks, Andy. So I'm now going to go into Engage, which is the VR platform that we're using at the moment. And again, it should probably show, in fact, here's the cool thing. If you ever had to guide somebody remotely how to do this, you can actually see what they're seeing. Andy, do you want to bring up the...
Yeah, we've got we're on the remote support function now, so we can see what you are seeing through the headset.
Great stuff.
And you can see you have subfolders over here on the right-hand side, clipboard and task manager as well. So you have full visibility. This is exactly what Dave's seeing right now.
So this means that if somebody's struggling with anything, you can literally just go in and say, okay, click on the thing to your right. Now, the advantage of being able to just start it straight from boot up or go straight into an app straight from boot up is that it dramatically reduces the requirement to do that in the first place. But
the other interesting bit is up here to the top right-hand side, where you can see the device data consumed in this session. So you can do that on a session-by-session, device-by-device basis. A really cool area within the platform that we're using for this mobile device management is the likes of the remote buzz function. So on here you can actually buzz the device. We'll just buzz Dave for a second just now. And you can see buzz initiated. It also gives you insights down at the bottom down here as to what has happened during that session in a log. And another cool thing that we can do here is basically it's push messages directly to. You don't need to get a read notification, and with this we can also enable a buzz, so we'll just do that for 1 second again, Dave.
Yep,
I've just called it test, so there we go, it's jobs queued to the device successfully, just because there's Dave's doing something at the moment, but you can see the dynamic job has been raised, text message has been sent, and that has gone to our Riot Pico 3 device, which is the one that Dave's using at the moment.
Yep, so and I've got an administrator test in front of me, so I can hit reply. And yeah.
And there's what Dave's seeing real time from that message being sent. So instant insights basically, and we should now have that back. It should come back into the console.
So it's just loading up again. Now the box that we have has actually got the additional advantage that it carries its own internet, so it's all automatically logged in. But this is quite good for sending out different devices. And these 3 devices that you can see on the list here are in 3 different locations in the world. One is in Oman, one is in Ghana, and one is here in Scotland. So there's really no delay in terms of this, and it means that you can really administer and coordinate events of any numbers with any number of people on any app. Actually on any device, not just one of these. You can use it on all sorts of different hardware, and it just gives you full control over it. So it's an extremely handy tool.
So see on the right hand side there are different capabilities available here for geofencing, time fencing, network fencing. We have location tracking turned off on this. What we love about 42 Gears is the fact that they are specifically working across the kind of VR industry. This technology that they've got is world class, and also the insights that you can gain regarding data usage, etc. You can get that. You can do it date wise. It can be customized, and the dashboard's really easy to navigate.
Yep.
And you get all your network information as well, your signal strength. Obviously, battery life's a kind of key thing, and also how much storage is left and available on the device as well. So an extremely powerful tool, giving you control back to your devices.